so we are in the village of Piedmont today, and we are looking at a really nice 2-2. Look at this great area for sitting out and having a coffee in the morning. Off to the left, you've got an area for grilling and just chilling. Grilling and chilling out to the left here. Enter into the dining area. Nice setup for seating. And nice couch and chair. Television area just off the kitchen. All stainless steel appliances with a gas grill. Again, because we're in Piedmont, we're real close to Nancy Lopez, great golf course, and great pool bar over at Nancy Lopez. Laundry, some bikes to use. This is a great spot. Nice big garage too. Get your car and your golf cart in there. The back of the house, there's 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So we got the guest bathroom off to the right here with a guest bedroom. Yeah, the northern section of the village is very mature and lots of golf courses and entertainment. You can get over to Spanish Springs if you want, down to Brownwood, over to Sumter, lots to do, lots of shopping. Master bedroom with a king bed and television, walk-in closet, and bathroom, ensuite. So if you're looking for a rental in the northern section of the villages, this is a beaut. You got a golf cart included, and it's just a nice cozy 2-2 with a screened-in front lanai. Big kitchen, lots of space. Nice comfortable living space here. Contact details are in the video. Hope you enjoyed the tour.